filled circles, empty dots. Place the entire design in an order.
Hi everyone, I'm Jelena. I come from Serbia and I just want to share with you my impressions on the Happyness Factory's workshop on doodling. In short, I enjoyed it a lot. So it was very fun, very easy to try out, and what was so cool about it is that we were so diverse in the group. So Serbs and Indians, maybe some other nationalities, I'm not sure, and kids and adults alike. And I think all of us got to learn something new, and we got to keep a drawing for ourselves at the end. Like that one. And believe me, anybody can try, anybody can have fun. It's a sort of new peace and meditation you manage to find through drawing like this. So thank you for having me and for giving us this chance. And I think, Minkiana, you did a great job, and I'm looking forward to the next workshop.
Hello! I especially wanted to thank the Happyness Factory for such a wonderful doodle workshop. Learning from the expert Minkiana was indeed a pleasure. She taught us from the basics so well, and by the end of the first session itself, I thought I had learned so much. Today is my second session with her, wherein I'm learning mandala artwork, extended form of doodle. Here, you can see this little design that I have learned and made today. Once again, I would love to thank Happyness Factory and Mink for such a wonderful workshop.
Hi, I'm Shruti from Singapore, and I am here to talk about the Salsa workshop by the Happyness Factory hosted by Yogesh Karipurve. This workshop was a perfect break from our routines amidst this COVID pandemic, and he made it seem really easy for all of us. And thank you for taking us through this fun-filled salsa adventure. Cheers to Happyness Factory, and looking forward to many more such workshops. Thank you.
Like what you see. One, we are doing with our fingers, like fans, you know? Yeah, like that. Finger by finger. Okay, so let's go together. So, we are going first our inside, 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 and up. Now we are going to circle one. With the knees up, up, and then you go. So when we do like this, we put it down also out here. So we can do here. Tap, 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 tap.
I hope it is getting simple to make the characters now, as you have done a lot of practice making this on the basic practice, top line and the bottom line.
Okay, so I'm quickly going to revise.
Okay, I think good, yeah. So far, so good. Huh? Okay, let's move ahead. Okay, now the whole song is about calling your lover, like you're waiting for the one that you are yearning for. Okay, so the next steps are all about calling the one that you're waiting for. Okay, so I'm going to first show you all the legs. Okay, last we finished here. Okay, with your right leg up, your weight is on your left. Correct? Your weight is on your left leg when you finish this. Now,
Let's move ahead from lines to squares. Bigger squares, smaller squares, rectangles. These are basic shapes. I'm just trying to tell you what doodle is all about, and this is the basic first step of doodling. If you do this, you start getting a free hand of how to use a pen or a pencil on a paper, since many of us have lost the knack of it. Okay, from squares, I move to triangle. Smaller triangle, bigger triangle. Continue filling all the spaces. None of the spaces should be empty. That's the idea of doodling. So we have almost filled all the alphabets. Above the heart, I'm going to make two faces.
You can make as many faces you feel like. That is the face. One small circle, two small circles, and a smile. Surprised expression. Small little waves will make it look like maybe a crown or a cap or whatever you call it. That's a happy face. Okay, I'm going to make another. One. Nice, dear. Pranay, good. Wow, you've already filled it. Amazing. Let's add waves on the top of the square. Some waves, some straight lines,